Meanwhile, the Manipur government has announced a reward of Rs 1 lakh for information of the culprits in connections with the Churachandpur robbery case. Manipur police continues to probe on the recent sensational broad daylight robbery, which has claimed life of a security guard in Churachandpur district of the state, while Chief Minister N. Biren Singh pointed out the possibility of involvement of armed groups operating in the district under the suspensions of operations, citing the use of suppressor or silencer by the perpetrators during the robbery. Here's a report. Manipur government has announced a reward of Rs 1 lakh for information of the culprits in connection with the Churachandpur robbery case. A statement issued by the Superintendent of Police Churachandpur mentioned that any individuals who can provide information leading to the arrest of the culprits responsible for the murder and loot which took place in State Bank of India main branch, Churachandpur town, on Friday last will be rewarded a sum of Rs 1 lakh. While Manipur police continues to probe on the recent sensational broad daylight robbery, which has claimed the life of a security guard in Churachandpur district. So far, no individual have been arrested in connection with the case or ascertain the involvement of any armed groups or criminal organizations, as per the official reports. However, going by the nature of the alleged killing of the security guards during the robbery without anyone at the nearby areas of the crime scene, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh stated that there is a possibility of the involvement of armed groups operating in the district under the suspensions of operation. Briefing media person on Sunday, September 6, the Chief Minister said that the security guards were shot at by sophisticated weapons and no ordinary criminals will have such weapon to carry out the robbery. Use of silencer guns or suppressors by the gunmen during the robbery has high possibilities of the involvement of insurgent groups in the robbery case, the Chief Minister said. Meanwhile, as per the Chief Minister Directive Order, DGP L.M. Khaute visited Churachandpur and took stock of the ground situation upon the murder of the security guards by unidentified gunmen in a heist during the robbery, said the reports. As per reports, a strict monitoring of CCTV footage in and around the crime scene have been initiated by police to find any lead about the culprits involved in the case. Moreover, 3 suspected persons have been picked up for questioning, it said. Meanwhile, demanding immediate arrest of the criminals involved in the daylight robbery case, Manipur ATM service sector has warned authorities that ATM services in the state will stop from September 10th if culprits involved in the robbery are not booked by September 9th. Earlier on September 4th, unidentified miscreant shot at security guards in front of the SBI Churachandpur branch office. The gunmen who were on a motorcycle escaped from the crime scene with Rs 1.15 crore, which was supposed to be dispensed for ATMs in and around the town. Bureau Report.